Pressure point is a piezoelectric force sensor that can be attached to surfaces at home. Physical therapy exercises can be controlled and safe as the sensor monitors the amount of force or resistance being exerted during an exercise. Our product is designed to be used under the care of a physical therapist, and a key component of Pressure Point is its ability to interact with the patient's smartphone. The Pressure Point app stores the recovery plan of the patient, the sets, reps, and recommended resistance that the patient should be performing. As the person recovering from injury performs the exercises, the phone can be used to display the force that should be used and the duration that the position should be held so that he or she knows when they are within the recommended safe range. After an exercise is completed, the user will be prompted to rate the level of pain associated with completing that exercise and have the chance to send the results to his or her physician. Pressure Point can be used to keep track of progress made during physical therapy and to make sure that further injuries do not result from overworking the injury at home. According to U.S. Physical Therapy Incorporated, the outpatient rehabilitation market in the United States is estimated to be a $19 billion industry, with a projected annual growth rate of 5% or higher. The sector is also highly fragmented, with no company controlling significant market share. Given the aging and active U.S. population, the demographics favor a sustained growth in patients seeking or requiring rehabilitation services. Also, with pressure to lower patient costs around the board, private insurers and government health programs are increasingly turning to low-cost, high-quality outpatient providers. Pressure Point not only has applications that help the elderly or those recovering from surgery, but crosses over to the athletic market. 20,000 high school girls suffer severe sports injury every year, and women are 8 times as likely to have a knee injury as their male counterparts. Pressure Point can be used to help treat or prevent injuries such as torn ACLs and can make all the difference to young athletes. It will cost $30 to buy the Pressure Point unit and the application for the phone. A piezoelectric transducer costs $2 to make, so there will be significant revenue for each unit sold. Also, as far as the customer goes, this is a lot of savings compared to having to go to a physical therapist. There are currently no items similar to Pressure Point on the market. However, the technology is known, so we would be susceptible to reverse engineering. Thus, it would be necessary for us to patent our intellectual property. In the US, a patent for punching bags that would allow a person to know how much force it was struck with and the location of the hit was already issued, so there is precedent for such a patent being issued. To sell Pressure Point, our strategy would be to partner with physical therapists so that when patients came in, they could give them an option for working at home. We could also look for endorsements of professional athletes. Actors Lou Ferrigno and Arnold Schwarzenegger have been active proponents of physical therapy and its importance in the modern world. They could be potential investors as well as useful for advertisement purposes. Going forward, Pressure Point would have to start market testing the aesthetic design of the product, as well as determine the proper adhesive to make sure that it could be useful in a household setting. Pressure Point has the potential to revolutionize the physical therapy market. It gives patients precise control over their bodies and their recovery. This interface also changes the level with which doctors can interact with their patients. Pressure Point is the physical therapy of the future.